In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim Shopee insurance. Before we jump in, make sure you're signed into your Shopee account and your app is up to date. A quick update ensures you see the latest menus and prevents buttons from moving around due to version changes. Also, have a stable internet connection so pages load smoothly as we navigate through the insurance section. Start by opening the Shopee app on your device. From the home screen, we'll head straight to your account area. Look to the lower right corner and tap on Me. This takes you to your profile dashboard where Shopee groups your orders, settings, and money-related tools. It's the hub for anything tied to your activities and services inside the app. On this dashboard, locate the Financial Services section. This is where Shopee gathers wallets, pay options, and insurance products. Tap See More to expand this section. You'll be brought to a dedicated page that showcases all available financial tools, including a curated area for insurance. This is helpful because it keeps everything related to coverage in one place. Now scroll down to Browse Insurances. As you move through, take a moment to read the short descriptions. You'll typically see a mix of coverage, types, and providers. Check for coverage highlights, validity dates, and any notes on eligibility. If something catches your eye, previewing its details helps you understand what's covered before you move forward. Availability can vary by region, so your list might look slightly different, but the layout and process are consistent. When you see the option labeled Sample Insurance to Redeem, tap it. Think of this as the placeholder product we're using to demonstrate the process. Inside, you'll see a summary page that outlines what the insurance includes and how it applies. This page is important for confirming that the coverage matches your needs and timing. If the policy details look right, you're ready to continue. Finally, tap Redeem Now. The app will process your redemption and confirm activation. You may see a confirmation message or a status indicator showing that your insurance is now active. Keep an eye out for any reference number or policy summary on this screen so you can easily revisit it later in your account. If anything looks unclear, you can return to the product page to recheck the terms and validity. And that's it. You've just learned how to claim Shopee insurance by finding it in Financial Services, reviewing the options, and redeeming it directly in the app. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping with added peace of mind.